quantum jumping, there's many ways of doing quantum jumping. I'm going to mention 3 that I know very well. Number 1, divine oneness. Going to a state of being where you are God, or the universal consciousness, is like going to a state in which there's nothing around you, nothing below you, nothing above you. Just you in the middle of nothingness. You being everything, and everything is you. Then you start visualizing and creating anything you want, a reality that actually you created unconsciously. The second technique is Vortex. You go into any kind of meditative state and then start creating energy. And that energy, you stir the energy in circles and create a tunnel. So once you visualize that energy flow and a tunnel, you can jump into the tunnel and decide where to go. You can go anywhere in time and space. The next one is reverie. Reverie is a very refined technique. It's daydreaming. You can perform a self-hypnosis. Our mind is protected by a no emotional state of being. So that emotional no actually prevents you to have visions and prevents you to have hallucinations and a daydream. But you can turn on the emotional yes, so you can open your third eye and being able to consciously see dreams and jump and visualize in the quantum field. How do you do that? You have to ask yourself these questions. Do I understand this process? Yes, I understand this process. Do I trust this process? Yes, I do trust this process. Do I know what I'm doing? Yes, I know what I'm doing. Do I want to quit? No. That's a positive no. No, I don't want to quit. Do I understand what I'm doing? Yes, I understand what I'm doing. Can I get out of this at any time I want? Yes, I can. And then you start meditating and visualizing in a timeline where you want to go. So I hope you can try the 3 techniques. There's more techniques, but these ones are very effective, and I'm sharing these secrets with you. I hope you can obtain great benefits.